How to use the data room. To access the data room, click on Data Room under Tools. The data room is a secured place where you can store and share documents with authorized people. Here, you will be able to view all the files you have stored, as well as files shared with you. Click All Files to view all documents that are shared with you and documents you have uploaded. Upload files to the data room by clicking on Upload Files. You can also create a new folder to better organize and manage your files. To create a folder, click on New Folder. Enter the name of the folder. Click Create when done. To give someone access to a document, just click on the document. On the right hand, you can see information regarding the file, who uploaded it, who has access to it, and its description. Click on the person icon to give a user access to the file. Enter the email address of the person you want to share the file with. Choose whether the person who you will share this file with will have only the capability to view the document or will have full access. Click Allow Access when done. The person will be notified that a document has been shared with them in the email you entered. Now I can see who has access to this particular file. You can easily remove the user's access to the document by clicking on the red dot icon next to their name. The same process applies to folders as well. Click on the folder you want to share. Here you will again find all information regarding the folder and see a list of people who currently have access. To give a user access to a folder, click on the Person button. Enter the email address of the person you want to give access to. Choose whether they will only have the capability to view the folder or full access. Click Allow Access when done.